If you're trying to figure out what the optimal length is for your SEO titles and your meta descriptions so that they don't get cut off in search results, you've made it to the right video. I'm going to walk you through how to use an easy and free tool that's about to make this whole process a breeze. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah from MariahMagazine.com, and on this channel, I help simplify things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your online business in a way that works for you. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the easy process of using this free tool to be able to check how long your SEO titles and your meta descriptions are so that you can get a SERP Snippet preview so you can make sure that everything's going to look good when your page starts showing up in search results. So let's head into the screen share. Okay, so the free tool that we're going to be using is this meta length checker from miss.digital. So I'm going to put the link to this tool in the video description box below. But basically, I love it. I love it so much. So when you're not using this tool, you kind of have to figure out manually how long your SEO title and meta description is based on a character limit. And that's not always accurate. So if we just need something to play with, I usually say that the SEO title, you don't want to go longer than 65 to 70 characters. And so I'll write this stuff out in a Google Doc like this. I'll highlight it. And then I'll click Tools, Word Count, and then I'll be able to see the characters here. So I know that this one should be good. And then for the meta description, we usually want around less than 160 characters. So I'll do the same thing here, Tools, Word Count, and then I'll take a look at the characters right there. But the thing is that the length for these things, although it's easier to think in character limit, it's actually in pixel width, which is a pain in the butt to try to figure out, which is why I love this tool. So essentially what you can do is you can just copy your SEO title. And like I said, I like to write them all out in a Google Doc because it's easier for me. So we can just go ahead and copy this. And then we're going to paste it right in here. And then we're going to go back over here and copy the meta description and then paste it right into this tool right here. And so then you can see whenever you add things on the left-hand side, then this SERP snippet preview will go ahead and will update. So you can see that nothing is getting cut off here. So we are within the pixel limit. So then you can always go in and fill in your company name if you want, just to see kind of how that looks in the SERP preview if you want, and then you can play around with the link if you want to go ahead and check that. But if you notice here, we have around 140 characters here, but I can usually play, like I said, with 150 to 160 without it getting cut off. So what I can do is actually come in here and add a couple words or something and be able to kind of play with it. So I went in and added the word organically, so helping clients get found organically on search engines. And we're still not at the limit yet, and it's still not getting cut off. So I feel good about this. And so basically what I would do is then just copy this title, copy this meta description, and then paste it into, this one's for the homepage of my website. So I would go ahead and paste this into, whatever website platform you're using. Usually there's a box somewhere where it's you can customize your SEO title and your meta description. So I would just copy it over from here and then either paste it into the doc if you just want all of this stuff to live somewhere, or paste it right into your website. So if you have a website on WordPress, Squarespace, or Shopify, I have separate tutorials, and I left them in the video description box below, on how to input your custom SEO titles and your meta descriptions into those specific platforms. If your website isn't on one of those platforms, then you should be able to do a Google search and just Google how to customize SEO title and meta description for whatever website platform you have. They should have like a support blog post or support center or something like that. So hopefully that helps. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you guys found this video helpful, please give me a really quick thumbs up. Truly, the simple thumbs up goes a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video is helpful and therefore pushing it out to new people that also might find it helpful. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video. If you made it to the end of this video and you're just getting started with DIY SEO, but you want some help navigating the process, then definitely consider downloading my free roadmap to successful SEO. The free SEO guide dives into what SEO is, why it's important, and how search engines work, along with my 6-step process to improving your SEO and your rankings. And then finally, I dive into the 3 tasks that you can start doing today to get the results that you want from Google. If you want to go ahead and snag this for yourself, then you can click the link in the video description box below, or you can head over to my website at mariahmagazine.com/roadmap to download your own copy.